10 Hairdressing School Kit Essentials. Starting your first day at the hairdressing school? Don't worry, we've got your back. Whether you're a pro or just starting out fresh, the first days can be really difficult as you don't want to make any mistakes and have a great first impression. Normally a hairdressing kit is provided within the tuition fee of the school. But if it's not, here is a list of 10 absolute necessities if you are starting your first day at your hairdressing school. Here we go. Scissors. If you're starting at hairdressing, consider scissors as your third and love and treat them with care. Invest in a good pair of scissors like all-purpose shears of the standard size like 5.5 to 7 inches. A 5.5-inch shear is good for precision cutting, while 6 and 7 inches works well for large section cutting. The right combs. A variety of combs will make your task easier, including producing clean sections when cutting, coloring, or styling hair and straightening and shaping hair. Combs can vary according to their width, size, and material. Try to experiment with different combs until you find the right one that suits you the most. A hairdryer. A hairdresser is not a hairdresser without a blow dryer. Next to your scissors, this is one of the most important parts of your kit. Choose your hairdryer wisely. Consider the weight, temperature settings, speed settings, cable lengths before getting one. Pick a dryer that comes with different nozzles or adapters so that they can be used to create different styles without any hassle. The airflow should be powerful with minimal sound. A brush. A brush is really important when it comes to a hairdressing kit. There are a variety of brushes available in the market and they totally depend on your taste. You can like a vent brush for a natural finish, or you can also be comfortable with a paddle brush. A round brush also looks like a complete necessity when it comes to creating beautiful blowout looks, but it also depends on the size of the brush, because different looks require different size dresses. Brushes are important because they can transform the hair completely and make them look thicker, fuller, and more beautiful, and a combination of perfect brushes can bring maximum volume and shine to your hair. Always select a brush with nice bristles as they will provide a good massage to your scalp, making your hair feel healthy. Styling irons. No matter which looks you want, styling iron can give you that look without any hassle. From beautiful curls to straight finish to waves, styling iron is the perfect tool for you. When it comes to choosing styling irons like straighteners, colors, always consider the temperature settings they operate at and always discuss with your clients about the settings and everything, because these tools are to be used with utmost care as different people have different types of hair. And these tools can often be damaging, hence hair styling should be done with a lot of care as these tools involve heat. Hair clips. Hair clips are essential when it comes to hairdressing kits. They are used for sectioning the hair while coloring, styling, or cutting them. Look for hair clips that provide maximum grip to the hair and which don't leave marks. You can use a plastic clip or a metallic clip, but plastic clips would be more ideal as it does not cause any heat damage to the clips due to the heating products. A water spray. A water spray is essential when it comes to a hairdressing kit. Always select a water spray bottle that is handy and can easily fit in your hands. It can be used to lightly spray water on the hair in case it becomes dry. Select a good water spray. You can get these water sprays at pretty reasonable prices from different wholesalers. A razor with some clean blades. A razor can be used for cutting, texturizing, and blending your hair. They give you amazing layered looks as they are most in currently. A razor with interchangeable blades is very suitable as the blades can be changed after every use. Always choose a razor with a good finger design, as a razor with a good finger design would keep your hands in their natural position and would provide less strain to them. A neck brush. A neck brush is small but a necessity when it comes to a hairdressing kit. It is used to clean the leftover hair on the client after you cut their hair. It is important because a lot of people suffer itching due to these leftover strands on the neck and other areas, therefore it is really important to clean them off before they leave. Kirby grips. Kirby grips are an important part of the essential kit. They are used for putting the hair up in case they want to put it up. Try to have a variety of sizes and colors to choose from so that it can match your client's hair color, hair length, and needs. Some other important add-ons in this list are a notepad and pen. I know it's the era of mobile phones, but there are a lot of hairdressing schools that have a no phones policy, therefore it is really important to keep a notepad and pen and take records, and to note down other minute details. Also, have a decent looking bag for your kit. Get a bag that looks clean and tidy, and which can fit all your tools. There is a good variety of kit bags in the market, therefore, you have a wide variety to choose from. The most important of these is your smile, as it has a huge impact on the way people perceive you, and that plays a huge role when it comes to the first days. Time to start snipping. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to our blog.